Hello everyone, and welcome to Mass Communications 398. My name is Dr. Byrum, and I am an assistant professor in the Mass Communications Department at Bloomsburg University. Many of you have had me for other courses. I teach courses in public relations and media law, and I'm pleased to welcome you to the Research Methods course. During the next 15 weeks, we will have the opportunity to unveil a number of topics related to quantitative and qualitative research methods. As a researcher myself, I have used both of these techniques in the field, and I want to share my personal experiences with you, but also engage in active scholarly research. So you're probably wondering by now, what is the structure of this course? How will it work being in the online format? Well, I want to share with you how the course is structured to make it most easy for you to proceed through the next 15 weeks. So each week you should log on multiple times during the week. I recommend at least 3 or 4 times a week. And you'll have a checklist at the beginning of each week. This checklist will indicate various activities, including watching a narrated PowerPoint, watching my instructor videos, and also doing the McGraw-Hill Connect reading assignments. Each week you will have a variety of activities, and some weeks at the end of the week you will have quizzes. Your course grade will be based on 5 quizzes, a literature review, and your final exam. So please pull down your syllabus at this point, print it out, and reserve all of the key dates. I will tell you that your literature review will be due on October 20th, so you want to make sure to have that available. So let's move forward then with discussing what is it we are actually going to address in this topic, in this class. We're going to state basic research methods frequently used in the mass media area. And as I said, we will cover everything from qualitative to quantitative research methods so that you will walk away from this class with an understanding of how mass media scholars approach things. I'll explain basic research designs to you that are used in various mass communication formats. We will apply a specific research method to examine a research question and hypotheses, and we'll gather and analyze data, interpret results, and write an academic paper. Lastly, we will obtain basic knowledge about descriptive and inferential statistics. Now, I know that this mathematical portion may be confusing to all of you and you get scared of statistics. We will have a very a broad overview of descriptive and inferential statistics so that you will have the lay of the land and be able to understand the implications of the research in which you are reading. So the textbook for the class is the Keaton textbook, Communication Research, Asking Questions. And there is the complimentary McGraw-Hill Connect readings, which I highly recommend. The quizzes themselves will be administered to you online. You will have 1 hour to complete these quizzes, and they will be a combination of multiple choice and true-false questions. And I encourage you to complete them well in advance of the due date. The quizzes are due at 4 p.m. on Friday of the week that they are due. So every week you'll want to take a look at your checklist and see if you have a quiz that week. If you do, the quiz is due by 4 o'clock. And after 4:01, the test will close and you won't be able to do it. Okay, and so quizzes that are not entered, you will receive a 0-4. So I maintain office hours in McCormick. I would love to meet all of you. Please come by. It is a little awkward to have students across the digital miles. So I encourage you to come in. I'm in 1213 McCormick. But I also have online and telephone office hours for you if you are at a distant location or if that's more convenient for you. So one final thing that I will mention regarding the course structure is when you download a PowerPoint, when you notice that you have a PowerPoint to read in bold, you may want to download it onto your computer and then hit view the PowerPoint, and then the content will come up right away. So that would be very helpful to you. The second thing I want to mention is that as soon as possible, please review your literature review assignment that is on your syllabus. And there is also a separate narrated PowerPoint regarding the assignment as well. Please get started on this as soon as possible, and don't let the weeks blow by without collecting some of the information. So I'm excited for the next 15 weeks, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.